The body we want margin 0.5. Did you notice
Yeah.
when we do margin 0 for the body? Now an uncommented up. Now check the difference. Okay,
Yeah.
I will comment it again. Hmm. We should give classes to our buttons. This is not a good practice. Directly, we are selecting this element select. We will select it by class. Okay. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Not like this. This is not good practice. Class is equal to btn save. Class btn caps. Yes. Any confusion until now?
Yeah.
Now we will add margins and paddings. Okay.
Yeah.
For input, we will say padding. Let's say 10 px. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Imaging from the top. Let's say 5k. Okay. And margin from the left, we will say MPS. And there is one more thing. We can take our buttons in a div so that we can move them inside the div. We can give class equal to btn and continue. Okay.
Yeah.
Dot btn continue. Margin left 10 equals. And we want margin top for the buttons. Button container. Margin top 10 page. And now we will add order to our input. Order. Like we can say 3px solid gray. You can suggest me the good colors. There is one website
All right. Colors.com.
named coolers.com.
Cool, not com. Cool.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm, we can choose from here. I think this is the good color.
The dark here.
And you see one. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we can add paddings and margins, paddings to our buttons. Like we can directly select the button by element select. We can say padding. We will use shorthand property. Okay.
Okay.
First property is for top, padding top. So we will
Top.
say padding top 10 px. Then
Right.
it's right. Okay.
Right here.
Right. We'll say like we want 20 px. Then
Bottom.
bottom we will say 10 px again, and
Left.
left should be same like the right like
Yeah.
px. Okay. Now we refresh the page and buttons are looking good. We can say cursor pointer. So when we hover over the buttons, the hand icon will appear. Okay. Yes. And we can choose background color from here for the buttons. Like first, I think this is a good color.
Yeah.
We can say background and here and paste. Because it's hexa, we want to add hash. It's looking good.
I think it needs to be brighter a bit.
Yes. We can add shadow,
Yeah.
text, shadow. I will explain you text shadow. Like first value, it will add the shadow. Like I will say 5 px. Okay. This will add the shadow on the left. Okay. And second value, this will add on the top and bottom. I will say 5 px. Okay. And here it's for the shadow. Okay. We will say again 10 px, the shadow. Look, shadow is coming.
Yeah.
We can add color link. You know this?
Yeah.
And if I do -5, the shadow will appear from the left. Look. And if I do this one -5, the shadow will appear from the top. You see, this powerful shadow. But I think we want only one thing. Zero pH, zero pH. Select. You can change the color to light. I think there is no need for the shadow.
Okay.
Okay, we will make it gold. Font weight, gold. Font size. You can make it 15 page.
Border.
Too big, I can make it 16 feet. You can save border. We don't want border. For secondary. So this is our front end. Now we will move to JS part and we will make this save input button functional. Like if you write your name, it will save your name here down here like a list items. We will give ID to our save input button because we want to use it in JavaScript. And we want to use this all the buttons in JavaScript, so we'll give ID to our save tabs button. Delete button. Let's save. Let's name them accordingly. So we will not confuse. It will minus DEL. By ID, we will get our save button from JavaScript. Okay. We say let save underscore btn equal document dot get element by ID. It says btn minus save. Okay.
Yeah.
We want to check that if it's working now. To make it functional, we will add function or we will add event listener. Okay. Event listener. Save button dot add event listener. We will say click. Now in second parameter, we will say after clicking, what will happen? Like extra function. If we click the button, what should happen? To check if it's working, we will do console.log the button was clicked. Now if I click save input, so it's not coming. Something is wrong. Document location, hidden instant, we will check. Okay, we have to add the JavaScript here, and source will be our JS file index.js. Now we refresh. Save. The button was clicked. Everything clear until now?
Yeah.
So what we want to do now, if we type here like my name and I click save input, it will show here like so after buttons or after this date, I will create an another list and list item asset mine. Okay,
Yeah.
so I want once the button is clicked, like if I enter who is with me wisdom, like if I enter wisdom and save input, it should add here, appear here, and we will do this by JavaScript in this function. For that, we have to create an array. First of all, it will be empty. Let's say underscore input underscore items is equal to an array, an empty array. Okay, and we will push in this array when the button is clicked. Save underscore input underscore items dot push. Like I will say wisdom. If the button is clicked, it will push wisdom in the array. Save input. And we will need to console log see what is the array. Save underscore in. This is the array. Wisdom should appear in our array. Look, can you see?
Yeah.
Wisdom is coming in the array. And it has been fixed. Now clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Only you are here. Okay. No one
Yeah,
else?
don't mind them. Just leave them.
Hmm.
That's so
Okay,
discouraging.
no
Man.
problem. No problem. You are understanding?
Yeah, free things. Free people don't take free things serious.
Yes, yes, no problem. We can both learn.
Yeah, I don't care about what they're doing.
Let's
I don't
see.
care about them
Yes.
either.
If you have any question, you can ask
All right.
until now it's clear. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we want this wisdom should appear in the list here. We will remove this. Okay. And here is the one ID. ID is UL minus container. Okay.
Mm.
And we will add list items by JavaScript. First of all, we will get the UL container. Then you will contain equal document get any ID what's the name your content your content your test and we will say let list item list items is equal to empty string. Okay,
Yeah.
and here we will remove this console.log and this because we want whatever we type here, like I will type my name, I will take this and push to the array. Okay,
Yeah.
we want this input value and push it to the array, and then that array items will be in the list, in this list, in this list item. In this event list, we will add this. Okay, bro,
Yeah.
you understand?
Yeah.
So, okay, I will now get the input value. Let's give input and ID. Maybe is equal to input minus 31. Here is get into the document put element ID element. And to get the value of the input, we will just tell input element dot value. Like we say here input element dot value. Let me console it. Console dot log input element dot value. Just by adding the dot, we can fetch the value. It's not appearing. So let me add it in the array. Let's say save info items dot push input element dot value. It will console dot log save. It's now empty. Let me save. Let me console inside the file. Save info underscore. Save. Okay, leave it. Let me add for loop. So you got the point. We'll get the value from here and push it when the button is clicked and push to it to the array. And we will do this here once the button is clicked. Let's loop through the array. Make I is equal to 0, I less than, and I less than. I think we can name this my array because we will use
Yeah.
again
It's large method.
because it's huge name.
Yeah.
My my and inside here we will say my array dot dash dot input input element dot value and left console dot log my array of I.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Uh,
Let me say template string. Um, then we'll have a content. Let's say
uh,
href href will be
yeah,
whatever we enter. Okay,
yeah.
like my name. Okay. And here also. Mm,
That's in HTML. List item. Can I take the inner HTML over to these list items? Maybe that is the cause. Yeah, yeah,
Nice.
Mm,
Hello,
yeah, yeah.
hello.
I mean,
Yes. So I have stored the value in the local storage because we were having a problem. Like if we say asad Lenovo and wisdom, but when we refresh the page, the values will disappear.
yeah.
So what did I do?
Local.
I s- I stored the values in the local store
Yeah,
here. First of all, my array would be empty. Okay, and we say my array dot push input element dot value. This is from here. We are getting the value from here like asset. Whenever we press the button, the asset will be pushed to the array. This my array.
array.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then we'll store that value local storage dot set item. This is the first parameter is the key,
mm,
and second parameter we will pass the value. In local stores, you cannot store as an array, so we do it as JSON.stringify to make it string, and then we pass our array. So the values will be stored as a string,
yeah.
and then we will. I am doing console.log here on line 7. Console.log, we will get the values as an array because we were storing it as a string. Now I will do json.parse. This means that the values will be as an array, fetched as an local storage.get item, my entries, this key. Okay.
Yeah.
Now refresh the page. This value, wisdom,
Yeah.
is coming from local store.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Let me say, and I refresh the page. Look, now it's coming asad from the local store. And let me say, Inogu, 70. And I refresh the page. Inogu is coming from what? Local store. But there is one mistake. Whenever I refresh the, it's adding only the first value. It should add all the. So we will take this inside for component. Let me say here my array. Let me now add asset. Let me let me save this too. Okay, I will correct it. Once I okay. So when I refresh that, the values disappear. But I want to load them from local storage. So what we will do, we will tell outside the button instead of console.log. We will add if condition. Let's say leads from local storage equal to JSON JSON dot parse local storage dot data. We pass the key inputs. And we will say if there is something in the local store, Set my array is equal to leads from local store. The values coming from the local storage will be my array values, and we will make this function more neat. Let's say we will add another function cylinder. Here we will copy this text. We will save it, paste it, and we will call this function here. And we will make it more unique. Like we can pass parameter. Like we can say here leads. Here should be leads. Resort and here should be leads. Profile. Here should be leads of home. And after rendering, we will pass it at my head. And we will also render here. Render. So look, this is coming from local store.
Yeah.
I refresh the page. It was in the local store because I said if leads from local store. If there is something in the local, set my array to leads from local store and render my array. And here it will say instead of lead, it will use this variable my array of my array of I, and so on. Let me say wisdom. Save input, refresh the page. So wisdom is coming from local storage. Until now clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now our this button is working. Save input. You can add as many inputs as you can. And there is one more thing.
The color.
Like when I add input value, this should be empty. So we will say input and dot value is equal to empty string.
Yeah.
So if I press wisdom again and I click the button, so it's gone from input. We do not want have to again and again delete it. And now we will make this save tabs button to work. What this button will do, it will save the current tab. Like if you are on this tab on link, and if you click this save tab, it will save this link. And if you are on this link and you open your extension from here, when we make, we will upload it and then we will check. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, we get the button and add the link. Let's say here it should be constant because we are now changing it. We mention constant save underscore string underscore bt document dot get link already 18. I think this is the name we give BTN minus BTN minus. Okay. We will create the event history. Let's say save BTN dot add event link, and when we click, what should happen? Function to check it's working. We will do console dot button was changed clicked. That is stuck. So it's working. Button was clicked. What we want to do, we will say Chrome dot add dot query, and here we will say current or active should be true. And in second parameter, we will say current win should be true. And if that happens, in second parameter, we will say function. And here we go apps. I will explain you now this function. This is a function to fetch the current tab and current window. We will check if the active, like if we are in this is active, okay. Now we are on this tab is active. If we are on this tab is active. And window, like let me say, if we have two window opening, another Chrome, now we have two windows. So here you can see we have two windows. We will check if we are on the current window and current tab, fetch that link, this link. Okay,
Cool.
and we will push that link to our array. This array, which is empty in the beginning. So what we will say now, let say, what should we name the constant? The yes, my array will be is equal to text of 0 dot ur and I will explain you now. This means like let's say we have one object person and inside this we have an array. Okay. Let us over. It is like this. One array, say inside this array, first item will be wisdom checking and so on. And so on. Okay. And this is the third item after comma. It is same like this. Like we say my array is equal to first item second item, third item, and so on. This is the first item. This is, we can say zero index, one first index, second index, and this. um, Okay, bro, understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
Thanks. Martin.
Now we'll continue. निकालिए इसको बाहर देख बिजली में ना क्यों लगाता है बैठ के ना अभी
About, I'm still confused about this Chrome.styles.query.
I will explain you again. This is the function, and first parameter we will say active should be true. This current window. This is the active,
Alright.
and current window should be true.
Alright, yeah.
This is like if we have two windows
Windows.
opening like this and this. There are look like
Alright, yeah.
there are now two windows. If we say YouTube is opening here, do you understand?
Yeah, I get you now.
Yes. That's what we are telling. And this is the tabs. This is like
Alright.
array of object, like I explained before here. Like this. Here we are telling, let's say here is a tabs. We say tabs of zero, which means this object
Alright, yeah.
dot URL. So it will store, it will get from this. Grab the link and push it to our array. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's say,
Yeah. It's better now.
say tabs equal my array. My array dot push this. This is right. Okay,
Yeah.
and after that we will say render and pass my ये किधर hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This button will not work because it's on the local host. Look, he's saying cannot read proper so undefined reading query. So to check this, we have to upload our extension to Chrome in order to check if
Okay.
it's working or not. Okay.
Yeah.
So this folder here. Where was it? Code voluntary project. This I will upload it to Chrome extension. For that we need manifest.json file. New file. Manifest dot JSON. Yes. Here we have manifest underscore version. This is the first value key, and let's say version is 3.0, and our product version, let's say 1.0. Action default part default pop-up. We can Google this. Default underscore pop will be our index dot html and name description version manifest. We have also we can give it name. We can name code Chrome Extension. And we can also add icons. We can add any picture. This logo will appear in our extension. And add Chrome Extensions logos. We can take this logo. We will paste this in our folder. Folder and page. Folder. Permissions because of our Chrome this query.
Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it has been loaded.
Yeah. Yeah. The same details about the station.
This is the extension now overload in the browser. You can see its name is
Cool.
Core Volunteer Extension
Yeah.
1.0. Here it's
The logo is not
version
showing.
1.0. We have to tell the main width for our extension. I can say 400 feet. Um, this is the logo,
Yeah. Yeah.
and if you click, it is appearing. If we do not add this main width, look what will happen. Look
Yeah. Yeah.
how it's appearing now. It's small.
Yeah.
So we have to add this
Me
body
with.
width. So if we refresh again, Like if I my name and save tag,
I think you increase the size of the name,
should
yeah,
yes, I should increase it.
and make it bold.
Let's say 500. Yes,
No,
this is because
all right,
of
all
the
right, all right. I mean,
margin.
the asad, yeah,
Margin.
the naming. If you can increase the size to so to it's too
Here,
tiny.
here we will add a style, inline style. Style, say font size 18p.
Yeah,
It's big now.
yeah, bold too. It needs to be bold.
Also bold.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, it's okay.
so if I refresh,
Yeah, is to change the color to the use this color used in the background of the
select.
button. Use the background button color for
Yes.
the links also. Yeah, this color. Yeah, it's better. Next, I think next is the font. The font is not looking that perfect. Yes, what is off now?
Oh God. Oh. Что происходит? Да, да, this show is a mess. God. Hey.
Clear. The crystal will be clear and we will render. My which will be empty. So if I click delete now, so it's gone. And also we will say this container should be empty. Your container element dot inner STA is equal to empty string. So if we now add my name and save it and delete. It's gone.
Yeah.
And you should work here also. Delete. So it's gone. Here there is no margin from the right. We
Yeah.
should add one. Margin right. Let's say 50 here. And one more thing to make it responsive, we will add static or box sizing border box. And we will go our extent. So now it's responsive.
Mm.
Our
Yeah.
extension is almost ready. And who is here with us?
Zara.
Another person.
Mm.
MC success. And also we can say current tab. And if I delete it,
All right.
all is
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah.
So who are new here? I will explain again what we did. Okay. So okay, bros.
Yeah.
I will explain again. First of all, we take input, and which is this, and then we take three buttons inside our container, which we name it button container. When we add three buttons inside that container, and then we take another list, and we are adding list item from our JavaScript here. List items is equal to this. Inside there is the anchor tag, and href will be what we are saving, like youtube.com. Yeah, take that youtube.com. This will be our href. And we will say target to open it in the new tab. Underscore blank. This will open it in the new tab. So YouTube is now opened in new tab. From this extension, we have saved it here. So any important link you save, you will open it. Like when say Stack Overflow, you found something useful, save tab, and then you can open in the new link for future use. Okay, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
And for CSS, we did some designing for input. We said with padding, margin for margin left, and border and margin right. This is the BTN content buttons container. All of the buttons are inside this content, and then the buttons itself. We add padding, cursor, background color, font weight, and font size, and border. And yes, we get the buttons from their IDs. Save button, save tab, and read button. These are the IDs. And then we add save button or add event listener. When we click, what should happen? Like this is my arrow. It will be initially empty. Then I will say my array dot push input element dot value, which means whatever value I type here, it should push to our array. Like if I say array, it is pushing to my array. System push to my array. Here we say my array dot input element dot value. Then we are resetting input element dot value to empty string. If we did not do this, look what will happen. Now this asad is not gone. It's still here. We will delete and then add another. And wisdom is also not removed. And if I add this, now if I add and again, so it's gone from here. And then I said request or set item. This is the key, my entries. And store it as a string, not as an array, because this is array. Stringify my array. The values will be stored as a string. Because in operator stores, you cannot store as an array. Then I am calling this function render. This function. Here what I am doing, looping the array, looping through the array by using one parameter and passing it here. This array, passing it here. For let I is equal to 0, I is less than leaves dot length, which means whatever the length, it should be lesser than that. And until then, keep on adding. And here I said list items plus. Here I initialize a string, list items as a empty string, and then I'm adding plus to it this result. which will appear in the console like this. Let me console it. Console. Look, li, then this item. I add again. System. This is second list item. And the third list item. Let's keep on adding. If I remove plus, it will add every time one list item. Like if I add my name, it keep on adding one wisdom. So list item is not looping. We should add plus. Plus means last item, last list item plus latest. And then I said UL container element. This is the ID UL container. Okay. Here I am getting it. Constant UL container element document dot get element by ID UL container, which means unordered list container. And from this I said unordered list container element dot inner HTML, which means inside that add list item, which is this. All the list items will add inside this UL here. Everything will here appear like this. L again, keep on adding, and then again L and so on, like this. Whatever the length of the array, then we added save tab button, event listener, which is this button, save tab button. Document.get element by ID btn tab, which is from here, btn tab. And we say save tab dot button dot add event listener. Whenever we click, what should happen? What should happen next? After that, we will say this is the function for adding the current link on current tab and on current window. You should remember this, okay? Chrome.tab.query. It takes two parameters. First, this is the first parameter, and this is the second parameter. First parameter we will say active group, which means now this YouTube is the current tab and it is active, and now YouTube tab is inactive. it should save the active tab link and current window should be true, which means if we have opened two windows in our Chrome browser like this, let me open person. So now I have two windows. Look, two windows. So how would he know which tab to save? That's why we are adding current window should be true. And after that, what should happen? Like same like this. Click and function. For this query, forum.tab.query, this is click. This is same like click. If we click. Next, what should happen? Function. Here we are not passing any parameter, but here we are passing, which are the tabs. Now I will say my array, which is this. Initially it is empty. I will say my array dot post tab 0 dot URL. This I will explain you now. Let's say we have let tab is equal to array and this is the array. And here we have URL like yes, you can say yes, and and so on. This means tab 0 index, which is this. Let me show you from here. Something like this. This is the first index. This is the second index. And this is third, and so on. So we said tab 0 index dot URL and store it to local storage. Second of thing is my array. And then render it. That's all. And our extension is here. We can save current tab, YouTube. And now if we go to any other website like Cooler, like here, We will do save tab. It will appear here. We can open it in the new window. Hope everything is clear.
Yeah.
Is there anyone who have any question?
Any question?
Anyone have a question?
Alright, I think everyone understood it.
Feel free to ask question.
I think everyone understood it.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, Jim.
Yeah, I've been recording it also.
So how was it?
It was very nice.
Do you understand?
Yeah, very nice. Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Do you
superb.
understand all?
It's, it's superb.
Have you did it before?
Live stream. You mean the coding from scratch, the project from scratch, right?
Yes. Yes.
No, I've not coded from scratch.
Extension. It took 2 hours.
Yeah,
No. Yes. We started at 5. Now it's 7:15.
there's a uh, th-
Yes.
I want to just get you some JavaScript lots more.
Mm. Was it difficult?
Yeah, it seems difficult because one thing that discouraged me when I start coding with so much confidence and I find out I'm doing it the wrong way.
Yes. You have to move step by step. Do the console.log every time. Check it. I was also struggling little bit, so I was doing console. In the beginning, there are only steps. First of all, you have to declare an array, empty array.
Uh,
Then from input, you have to get that value. What are you inputting? And then you have to push that value in the array.
yeah. All
And
right.
then when you push that value to the array, you have to also set that array to the local storage. You will say that local storage dot set item, and first first will be the key. Like you can name it anything. I named it, I think, what I named my items, or I named it what? I don't remember. Like I named it my entries. Okay, you can name this anything.
Yeah.
Then after that, when uh, you can get this by this entry. My entries. This is the key. You can get these items from the key. Look here, I am getting the key, getting the values. If leads from local storage, if this is true, or if something comes in this, then set my array to leads from local storage. Then render my array. It is this function, my function render leads. And whenever it comes out of the loop, it should set the array to empty again, because when next time we add it, it will not add all other values. You know, you know.
Yeah.
And we
Yeah.
are getting the save button, event listener, and delete button, event listener, and add button, event listener, save button. Which part you think was difficult in this?
This side of feel I was just I'm understanding it, but the one that I just feel bad is when I try to recode everything and I get error. But to understand
Mm.
it, I know what is happening, but
You
I
know,
don't know.
I
I
was
think
also
I
getting
have
errors.
this.
Did you notice when I was doing? I was also getting the errors.
Yeah,
Yes, you should keep on trying, 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 and the error will go.
yeah. Thanks.
And also, I think you learn new thing here. Manifest.json. How you
Yeah,
can give the name, version, and icon.
and
Description also you can add.
Chrome.tabs.query. I learned it
Hmm?
today. Chrome.tab.query. I like it too.
Yes, yes, you can
Yeah,
save the current tab. You are on the current tab. You can save it.
yeah. This extension you can also save input and also save tab and window. It's very nice.
Yes, you if you want, I can send you the folder. You
Yeah,
can upload. You can unload to your Chrome
yeah,
Extension,
yeah.
because
I
this is
need it.
good for book. Like we do bookmarks. I don't like that bookmarks.
Yeah, I need it. I need the code.
Yes, you can then save the tabs like coolers, website, Unsplash. Every website, important website, you can add it here.
Yeah.
But don't click the delete button.
All right.
Otherwise, everything will be go.
All right. All right. I'll remove the delete
Yes,
button.
you don't want to delete.
Bye.
Uh, There was how many? I wasn't noticing who was inside the meeting and who is
Is
someone.
yeah.
Who was the longest one who
Zora
remained there?
Zora. Zora Zora. Zora Zora. Enugu. Enugu. Zora Zora.
She
Isu
remained. She was, I
Wadimo.
think, a female.
Yeah, Zora Zora is a female, yeah.
Yes, I think she remained the most. I think most of the time.
Yeah, the other
And
one,
Inugo, who was this Inugo?
yeah.
You check
The
in
other
the
one,
group who was Inugo, and you see if the person who took the interest. You can tell them we will build more new things. They can
yeah,
join us.
yeah,
Find the Zora and that Inugu and ask them was it helpful for them or they want the folder,
yeah.
or I will tell in the group
Yeah, I think I'll
those who are
because
interested,
yeah, because
who are interested, and those who participated in the Chrome extension,
yeah,
those who participated in the Chrome extension